Hello everybody, Quadrajet Power here. Got this 66 Quadrajet I'm working on, doing the final assembly, um, and it had some unique features that 1965, 1966 Quadrajets had. If you're wondering, yes, Quadrajets came out in 65 on some Chevy applications, introduced throughout most of GM in 66. And had a dampener system for the secondaries, and that's what held the secondaries and opening. There was no pull off or vacuum brake for the secondaries in these early years. So I've been asked to show how this system works and how you assemble it together. The dampener, I mean, you want to make sure that the slot for the dampener is clean, polished, and that the dampener itself is clean and polished. I use triple-aught steel wool on this piece and a small wire brush to make sure that everything's clean. You want to make sure the dampener goes fully down and up easily. A lot of these are stuck in these early years. On the air horn itself, you've got the arm that comes up. This arm is attached to the air valves with the small rod. It's got a little clip on the outside here. The top of the dampener will also have a clip on it. We're going to slide it through the hole and come up, and then this rod's going to go in to this arm opposite of the hole of the rod that's attached to the air valves. So the one from the air valves goes from the inside out. This one's going to go from the outside in. So while I'm holding it up there, I'm going to attach a clip to it, which is one of the most challenging pieces for me. Keep my hand steady and try to get a clip on the little rod. But here we go. It's always easier when it's extended up. So we're going to put the clip on the rod. Thankfully, the rod on this one is cut all the way around, so it doesn't have to go a certain way. So the clip will fit on. Going to make sure the secondary air valve lock is open, so I can open the secondaries, and I'm going to make sure that dampener goes up and down easily as it's attached there. So got all the other components in place. Now we're going to put the air horn on, put the accelerator pump in so I don't forget that. So we're going to line up the vents and the pullover enrichment, and then we're going to slide this into the dampener into the hole for it as well. Make sure that it's going to fit in there nicely. And then once everything's lined up, air horn goes back on. Now we're going to check it again the same way. Make sure the air valve's open and it goes up and down completely. Air valve's closed completely with the dampener and rod in place. So that's how the secondary dampener system worked in these early Quadrajets, 65, 66, and 1967. They did go to the pull-off system with a vacuum brake and eliminated the arm here in the dampener, which was good riddance, because this is difficult to work with for any performance builds, but for a restoration, that's how you put it back together with a dampener system on the 65, 66. QuadrajetPower.com for all your Quadrajet needs. If you've got any questions, email us, info@quadrajetpower.com. Glad to help any way possible. We've got all the kits, parts, everything that you need for any Quadrajet. Thanks for watching.